Okay, so we are going to be working on division of whole numbers using partial quotient algorithm. Okay, so this is just a way of being able to practice on our division skills and it kind of being a little bit easier for us instead of having to do the whole entire minus this, minus that, knowing if you're going to have a remainder or not and what to do. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to see how many times. Okay, so we're going to multiply by the tens factor basically. So we're going to see how many times we can multiply 21 by either 10, 5, by 1, by 2, by 100, and see how many times we can do it into this whole number. And we're going to keep going down and down and down. And as we go down, we're going to add them in the end. So I'm going to kind of like do it as I explain it. So how many times, so I know that 21 times 100 is 2100. So 2100, and I'm gonna subtract that. So I get 894. So I know that I can't do 21 times 100 again because that's way too big. Well, what if I did 21 times 10? If I do 21 times 10, that gives me 210, and I'm able to subtract that. So I can also repeat that step because 210 is still less than 684. So 21 times 10 minus 210, so 4, 7, 6 minus 2 is 4. I can continue to repeat that step because as you see, this number is smaller than that number. So 4, 6, 4 minus 2, 264. Okay, and I can still do it one more time because it is still a lower number. So 54. So I'm left with 54. What do I do with that? Well, nothing can go into that anymore. 21 cannot go into 54. And so what I'm going to do is this is going to be my remainder. So once we figure out our answers, our remainder. So the easy thing about this is we're going to add up all of these numbers that we used. So 100 plus 10, 110, 120, 130, 140. Oh wait, I'm just kidding. I messed up. Sorry. Actually, 21 can't go into 54, so scratch that out. We can do minus 21. So it would be like 21 times 1. So 5 minus 2, 33. We can still do that again. So 21 cannot go into 12. I'm sorry, correction. So this is going to be our remainder. So we are going to add up all of these right here. So what did we say? 110, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2. So 142 with the remainder of 12. And this is how you do partial quotient algorithms.